So people will ask me, like, where do you start if you want to learn about Odinani, or if you want to learn ancestral spirituality, or if you want to pray like the ancestors? And I always tell them to learn this ceremony known as Iwa Oji. Iwa Oji. I'm going to type it in the chat. Iwa Oji, right? Iwa Oji is the breaking of the kola, right? Now, I didn't break this one because I learned this very recently, right? You don't break them at night. You can only break them in the day, right? So in the morning, I'll break it, right? But after you say all that stuff I said in the beginning, after saying all that stuff, you then break it and then commence with your day and you eat it and so forth, right? But every single thing in that ceremony is the reason I tell you to start there is because it is a simulacrum, I think is the word, of everything you need to know as far as ancestral spirituality. It is everything you need to know as far as ancestral culture. So long as that ceremony is alive, nothing can be lost, right? So long as that ceremony, wow, gee, is alive, nothing can be lost. So in our traditional medicine class, for example, it's one of the first things that we make sure you learn. Even in the Igbo language class where you learn Igbo, it's one of the things you learn, how to do the ceremony. It's that important, right? Now, the reason it's so important is because every single symbol, every single thing that's being done, if you stretch it out, right? If you stretch out and add more detail, you will understand everything there is to know that you need to know as far as ancestral spirituality. But it's like a condensed, it's like the whole message condensed. It's the entire message condensed.